My people, I greet you now. My good people of Edo State, I greet you now. This one on our picking Destiny, where everybody know as MC Condom for Europe land. We thank God for our life. Say we fit survive Edo State. Come become somebody today. I beg this thing when I want play for now, this music. I don't want to listen to this music before I start to the talk. You talk truth, you will die. You not talk truth, you will die. It's better we talk the truth. How long will continue to the stay darkness? No, everybody does civilize now. Now they still they use money till they sell birthright. Your birthright, your person will buy them from you. You buy your destiny now. How long? We need to get sense now. I better more listening first before I start to the talk. You're listening shortly, my brothers. Just listening to our papa fella, whether the same government key is bad government. So, me not the fear and the government and they always talk about bad government. Wanna listen. Then we'll come finalize something later before we done. One wise make wise. Who say they inside darkness now you want stay. They inside darkness now you go die put. Listen. Baba fella. Yeah.
Everybody say yeah. All of us before saying election. And the second election was in Nigeria. And the second election, it was a pass. What a lot of sense. It was the rigging. It was corruption. Which kind of election is this? What a lot of sense. What a lot of sense. People of all votes. That can epic the compass. Thousands to thousands. Billions to billions. Which kind of election is this? What kind of nonsense? What kind of nonsense? Now democracy that you. Now democracy that you. Politicians see democracy. Only politicians. Only go for you. Only politicians many things. Many of them things I don't sing about. Me are not pretty for me, you must start. Let us think, say, we don't know us. But Shagari finish the elections. But them not tell them, say, they make mistakes. Say, this you, don't be democracy. Oh, you go them not tell myself. That's for England, I mean, not fit it over. I come think about this democracy. Demonstration of grace. Crazy demonstration. If you no be grace, why for Africa? As time they go, things just stay bad. They bad more and more. Poor man they cry. Rich man they mess. Democracy. Crazy demo. Demonstration of grace. Crazy demonstration. If good do teacher teach you something, and the student make mistake, teacher must talk this so, but do you not talk this so? And somebody get this up, and that is to sing them to she get meaning, different meaning, different kind of me.
Yeah, my people. Now do well. Now enjoy that music. Our Baba Fela, may his soul rest in peace. Anywhere we day, I don't want to talk, my brother. Because if you say more talk, you know go finish. I want beg my good people of Edo State. I want beg you now. This will not be the time where they use money to they bribe us. We don't want money again. We don't big pass money. You know one thing about this life where we need to know. See, God can never come down, come help you. Now person they go send come. Who be this person when I they talk? You see that man Obaseki, Governor Obaseki. I don't like APC, I don't like PDP. I don't get party when I do, but I they look. The only party when I like, when I know fit deny, I be this new party when the new come out. So AAC. You understand me? And let me go straight to my point. You see Obaseki. Obaseki na man with God sent come say, come fight for your people. Obaseki no want share money. Neither they kill him for so. This man Oshomole, now use the hand carry Obaseki come out. Obaseki get wetin Benin get. Una dey hear me, my brother, so. Una dey listen, oh. Now he say the best governor wey Nigeria Edo State want na Governor Obaseki. Now he use the man talk say Zeyamu no good, Zeyamu na thief. Now he talk and me I know the fear I go call anybody name na Bini there for grown and then my father has day. And I dey come the same Bini. Uma wake be ejo na Bini be. Una dey hear me so. Where una no want let the lying dog make it lie. Now this the same Obaseki when he bring come out now because Obaseki no gree share money now. Now this the same Obaseki now he come to say he result no pass to go for governor. You see one thing, my brother, if God don't arrange your destiny, no man, no woman, if he stop him. I want beg una, now beg because of Obaseki that make me come outside. They don't try different temptation for that man body, it no work. They don't burn all the whole market, it no work. They don't do different things to spoil the man name, it no work. Now that the same Benin with day. 8 years wo Shomole teru, wetin you use Shomole use and do. Use am for straight men. Carry Shomole police come outside. After 2 years, 3 years, they'll start to they drop them. They don't use their make name. Una dey here. Una no have any boys way for straight for streets. All those people with the under Oshomole so. All of them, I swear to Almighty God. If you not believe me, my people of Edo State will not believe me. Una dey here now. All those people where they the under so. Now they are safe pockets. Now all of them they fight for. If Bini better tomorrow, it go better for me and you. We go fit come house. We will come relax. We not go dey fear. Road no good. Lights no day. Mokuna give the man power. Make the work when he start, make it finish. I beg, the man ready to work. The man not ready to share money. The man ready to let Benin know say light there Edo State. The man ready to let Benin say no say Edo State no say money there Edo State. Anywhere where Obaseki go, my good people of Edo State, make una park follow am. If na PDP, everybody say PDP not good, make una park follow am. Anywhere where go, if na AAC go, make una park follow am. That man, God send her come, may come bring the light of Edo State. I don't like anybody, and I don't want to like anybody. I don't want anybody to like me. I'm not a politician. I don't want to be a politician, but I like talking about the government because we have bad government. I beg as you see this video, may you share them. Make it reach all of the hand. As they no want make that country, those states better, make people wey dey Europe, we need to pass through stress, make them come house. Now so their life no go better for them. If you come Europe, children will not think say dey Europe, all of them dey inside prison. Children will not think say mama and papa na they talk to so. Una when they go to sell una birthright. Una children will not they think say they dey Europe. They decrease for street. Frustration won't kill all of them. European police won't finish them. They find all of them up and down. They find people they want put for inside school. Nigeria, this is the time for us to open our eye. To say no to violence. To say no to cultism. To say no to area destroyer. To say no to people wey no want more get light. Time don't reach where Nigeria, where everybody go take come together. Time don't reach. Every time go they look YouTube, they look everywhere killy. And waiting with the gain about them. Nothing. All the name of bad government. If you get work, you see chance to go carry gun keep person. If you get work, you see chance to the baba person for where one pass where you want collect it bag. But I'm telling you, my good people of Edo State, I don't want to care who Obaseki be. I don't want to care who Shomole be. I don't want to care who Ifans be. I beg, mo put hand for Obaseki back. I beg, mo to raise that man up. Every do self na PDP na ide, mo follow and enter PDP. Mo bring her, come and mo make sure say he win this election. Make shame cash all of them. Nigeria, Edo State don't reach when he go get light. I will look Obaseki as the person when he go join the people repair that country. Obaseki, well done for your good work. Kudos from you, from Germany land. All of us for here, many of us use body to join you for your good work. My good people of Edo State, as you see this video, share am. As you share am, the goodness of Edo Kingdom will reach your hand. The good of Benin Kingdom go reach your hand. The good of Edo State go reach your hand. Our juju wey we dey serve for that Benin, e go dey escort you, dey guide you. Bad people not go see you. As I talk and I say e go be. More join hand together. More take cook rice full pot. Only one person not dey fit cook rice. Me full. Obaseki. This election, nobody they collect am from you. Anywhere where you go, the youth is ready to go with you. The youth, when you want sell their birthrights, may they sell them. Time to come, we'll see who go beg for one cup of rice. God bless you. I remember my case. Now me be MC Condom. Follow me on my Facebook, Destiny Yuri. I will soon come on my YouTube. I'm working on it. God bless you.